Montreal, if you're looking for the most pet-friendly restaurant to bring your dog, then you need to check out Ruby Cafe. So this is located inside Doggyville. They have a pool, they have grooming, they have a hotel, doggy daycare, anything you can think of. But Ruby Cafe is just, it's so good. I've been here many times. They have a dog menu, so you can order food for your dog. And as you can see, like, Bowie is not shy. He gets right in my face. The human menu is also absolutely delicious. I got the new pancakes and they were so fabulous. We also ordered him a cake because it was his first birthday. You have to order these ahead of time. But how cute is this, you guys? But definitely check out, like, honestly, I've been here so many times. The food is so incredible. I cannot stress that enough. The portions are giant, and I mean, it's somewhere you can take your dog, and it's literally for them. They also have a store and everything else. Check them out.